The Ossur Academy came about because we needed a way to standardize how people were fitting our products and give them some more education and some more support around doing those fittings.
One thing that I really love about being part of the team here is that we get to really focus on the functional aspects of the person using their device and how we can really improve their outcomes.
I started out with, picking up little tiny objects. After a few days working more and more with it, I was able to pick up shovels and carry groceries and laundry baskets. It was amazing.
This was my first trip to the new academy, and it's beautiful. And it's in a very nice suburban area, so it's a very comfortable place to be when you're away from home.
Our facility is actually located in a residential area. We're right near a hotel, so a lot of people will stay at that hotel and simply walk to our facility. We occupy 8,000 square feet of space. We have a training center, and right down the hall from that we have fabrication. The courses that we offer are all hands-on. They're centered around a fitting of an individual, so it's going to be very interactive.
One of the things that really impressed me about the Ossur Academy was the fact that the lab is literally right down the hall from the training facility. Working with Nate, the prosthetist, we had the ability to do some hands-on fabrication here. That was a really helpful experience.
We really advocate for a team approach when we're fitting an individual with an upper limb prosthesis. We know that the rate of rejection can be a lot higher for upper limb versus lower limb, and without that teamwork, the risk of rejection can be a lot higher. So we advocate for an occupational therapist as well as the prosthetist, and then that end user to attend the course so that we can all learn together and we can maximize the person's independence with the device.
So the facility has a studio apartment where the person can really just practice how they're gonna do things once they do get home, whether it's cooking a meal or making the bed. We have a game room, so being able to use it in those leisure types of activities, and even just in the local community, there are so many things that we can take advantage of.
I've seen some really memorable things happen when a prosthetist and therapist and that end user work together. I've seen grown men cry over signing their name or cutting food for the first time, or even just bringing a cup of water to their mouth.
It's just always so rewarding to see the person being able to return to activities that were so important to them.
The fact that we all work together with the occupational therapy staff, the prosthetist staff, and even some of the engineers, I would consider doing this for all of my future iDigit users, because I think it gives them a perspective on things that they wouldn't get otherwise, and the opportunity to meet with other people that have similar situations to them.
Being here at our facility gets you time where you really get to know the individual, get to know their needs, what their goals are, and really know them on a different level than you could ever achieve if you're just seeing them in that office environment.